Once upon a time, in a land where trees whispered and animals spoke, lived a kind boy named Leo. Every day, Leo walked the forest paths, helping anyone in need and listening closely to the voice of nature. Suddenly, Leo heard a squeaky cry. A squirrel was stuck in a thorny bush. With careful hands, Leo freed the little creature. "You're safe now, little friend," he said kindly. The squirrel offered Leo a shiny golden acorn. "A gift of friendship," it said. Leo chuckled, "Thank you, little one. But seeing you safe is gift enough." Just as Leo was about to leave, a strange blue glow shimmered through the trees. "What could that be?" he whispered, stepping carefully toward the light. In the heart of the forest stood the oldest tree Leo had ever seen. Glowing leaves and strange symbols shimmered on its bark. It was the whispering tree, keeper of forest secrets. The tree's bark shimmered, and a deep voice echoed, "Leo, kind heart of the forest, a great challenge lies ahead. Only those with truth and courage may succeed." The next morning, Leo found a rabbit crying. "My magical sunflower seed has been stolen." The rabbit sobbed. Leo promised to help find the thief and restore the garden. Leo noticed small footprints in the mud. Someone small and fast," he said. With his bird friend guiding him, Leo followed the trail. Behind a log, they found a shy hedgehog clutching the glowing seed. "I didn't mean to steal it," he whispered. "I just wanted to see it glow, I was lonely." Leo smiled warmly. "Telling the truth is brave, little one. Let's make it right." Together, they returned the seed. The rabbit forgave him, and a new friendship bloomed. Suddenly, the skies turned dark. The wind howled through the branches. The forest whispered, "Trouble is coming," from the northern caves. All the animals gathered. The wise old owl spoke, "A shadow has awakened in the caves. It steals voices and silences truth. Only someone pure of heart can face it, Leo." Without hesitation, Leo set off toward the northern woods. His heart was steady, though the path ahead was dark and unknown. A strange fog curled around him, whispering lies. "You'll never make it," the fog hissed. But Leo held firm. "Truth will guide me," he whispered. At last, he found it, the Cave of Echoes, where the voice thief dwelled. The air buzzed with strange whispers. Leo took a deep breath and stepped inside. From the shadows rose the voice thief, a dark spirit with burning eyes. "Why come here, little human?" it snarled. Leo answered boldly, "To stop you from silencing truth." The spirit hurled shadows, but Leo raised his staff. "Truth is stronger than fear," he cried. A light burst from within him, pushing the darkness back. The spirit let out a soft cry. "Thank you, I was once the guardian of truth, but I lost my way." Leo had not destroyed the darkness, he had healed it. Back in the whispering woods, joy returned. The sun shone brighter. Animals sang. Leo had not just saved the forest, he reminded it of the power of truth and kindness. The whispering tree spoke again, "Leo, you are now the guardian of the forest." Leo bowed humbly. He had no crown, no throne, but in the forest, truth was royalty.